used to hold on tight, like love was a rope. Each night I tied tighter, just kept me from home. But now I see clear, through the dust in my eyes, that strength walks forward, not stuck in disguise. I've carried this weight long enough. Now I'm breathing, I'm waking up. Powerful soaring melody in mid-range. I'm taking back the night. No more shadows in my life. I won't wait to be left behind. I'm the first to leave this time. You can call me what you want, but I'm finally done with front. You know it feels so bittersweet. I am the one who chooses to leave. This heart's got wings, it's learned how to fly. Even when silence gets too loud to deny. So if you don't see me, I'll turn off the flame. Now waiting for actions to say I came. There's beauty in a goodbye, and it's yours to decide. Sometimes love is letting go before they get to say no. We'll store in the hand, and it waits and take goodbye, babe. Home on child in my life. I won't wait till we left behind. I'm versing this time. You should call me, let's wonder. Then I'll finally down at dawn. So bittersweet. I am the one who chooses to leave. Personally today.